Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Saharul. I'm from section 2 and this is my submission of lab 4 program 3 to Madam Zurati. Okay, so for program 3 we are going to ask the user to enter 6 value of integer, okay? And we are going to store all the 6 integer into an array named hello. And we are going to count, okay, the odd value, which is the first, third and fifth value of the six integer that we enter. We are going to calculate the total, okay, total addition, total number of the odd value. Also we are going to count the total even number, okay, by using count odd, total odd, and count even and total even. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, this is our code. Okay, so we have still three string over here, string 1 until string 3, and this is going to prompt the user to enter the input and also to display the output. And we have the variable count odd, count even, total odd, total even, and the array hello. Okay, all are declared to initially as 0. So for the hello array, we have 6. We have 6 value, which is equal to 0. Okay, now let's begin. Alright. Okay, so and the type, okay, of our variable is dword. Okay, so let's begin. So first we move the offset of string 1, which is the address of string 1, into the EDX in order to use the call write string. Okay, and when we call the write string, it will display enter integer. Okay, so enter integer, and then we are going to use the call write integer so that the user can enter input, okay, for the first value of the integer. So when the user enter, okay, we will move, okay, the value is located in the EAX, and then we will move it into the array hello, or array hello, okay, with or equal same as hello 0, okay, the same one. Okay, next is we are going to use the call CRLF in order to end the line and move to the next line. Okay, if we want to skip to the next line. And also, okay, for the rest of the code from here until, oh sorry, okay, for the code from here until here, okay, we are going to prompt the user to enter the value, okay, 6 times, okay, to enter the for the sixth value of the integer. So as you can see, call the write string, we no need to move the address of the string back to the X, because we are going to use the same string. Okay, we are going to use the same address, so we just can call the write string. And also we will ask the user again by using read integer to for so that the user can enter the input. Next, as we can see, what's different for this part of code is the hello array. So we can see over here is a hello 0 and increment by 4, hello 4, hello 8, and hello 12, 16, and 20. Okay, this is because our type of variable is dword, which is 4 byte. So for the hello, okay, for the first value it has 4 byte from 0, 1, 2, and 3, and next it start at 4. So that's why we have increment of 4, okay, until 20, which is the sixth value of the integer. Okay, next we are going to do the count odd. Okay, we are going to count the total odd of the from the sixth integer of odd value. Okay, we move the value of 3 into the CX because we are going to use loop. So we have 3 odd value. Okay, so we are that's why we have going to do the 3 iteration. Okay, so we move the count out, which is 0, into the EAX, and also we declare EBX as 0. So for the loop over here, EAX is now 0, and then we add by the hello EBX. So EBX, as as we can see over here, before is 0. So hello 0 is the first value. So the first value of the hello, the first integer, is added into the EAX, and then we add the EBX from 0, okay, and the initial value is 0, we add by 8, okay, yeah, because we want to go to the third value, okay, yeah, so we do increment by 8, and then we move the EAX, okay, into the count odd, and then we do go back to the loop. Okay, so when we go back to the loop, okay, EAX, now our EAX has the value of hello, the first value. Now our EBX is 8, so it will add the EAX with the third value. So our EAX has now the summation of first and third value, and we increment, we add the EBX by 8, and then we move back again the EAX into count odd, go back to the loop again. Okay, so EAX over here now have summation of first and third value, and then we add with the hello EBX, which is now is 16, which is 16 is the fifth value. Okay, fifth value. So and then we do the increment, so our EAX is now has the total of odd value. So we move the into the count odd, and then the count odd we move into the EAX. So lastly, we move the ES into the total odd, so that we can have the total odd, the value of the first, third, and fifth summation. Okay, so for this part of code, this is for the count odd and total odd. So this part of code, okay, the explanation is just the same as for the total odd and count odd, but this one is for the even, okay, which is the second, fourth, and sixth value. Okay, as we can see, the difference is okay, the starting value of the EBX. Okay, the starting value of EBX for the odd is 0, and then increment by 8, so 0, 8, and 16, which is first, third, and fifth value. But for the even, we start at 4, also increment by 8, which is 4, 12, and 20, which is for the second, fourth, and sixth value. Okay, next is we move the offset of address string 2 into EDX. Okay, then we call write string to display the total odd, and then we move the value of total odd into EAX in order to use the right integer. So we will display the total odd, and call CRLF in order to end line go to the new line. This one to display the total for the odd, and this one is just same as for the total odd, but we are going to display for the total even. Okay, uh, next is call wait message. Okay, so that our program does not terminate directly after it has been debugged. So now we are going to build. Okay, succeed, and we're going to debug. Okay, so we are going to do over here. Okay, we can going to do the output to put the input exactly as in the 32, 65, 77, 89, 14, and 54. So as we can see, our total is 123, and even is 208. Okay, 123 208, and okay, that's it for program 3. Thank you.